Now, Science Direct is Elsevier's platform of peer-reviewed literature. So basically, all the journals that Elsevier has are hosted on the Science Direct platform. And all of you today, you are faced with ever-growing volumes of information, right? Some of you have messaged that we use Google and there is so much information online. How do we choose which one is more appropriate, which one is more best? Now, I have always maintained this, and I've also put it on my slides, and I always say this, that to publish good articles, you need to read good articles, right? Because if you read good articles, you will get the good aspects of that paper and you can incorporate it in your paper. And as soon as you cite a high impact paper, your article gets attached to that article, which automatically increases the, I would say, visibility of your article, right? So since you are faced with so much information online, what do you do to ensure that you filter out the most relevant one, the most usable, and the most credible, right? This is where the Science Direct platform comes to your rescue. On Science Direct platform, you would find close to 16 million peer-reviewed literature. And some of the literature dates back to the 18 and the 1700s also, right? So you get articles from, let's say, 1800s till articles not only from 2020, but also from 2021, 2022, 2023. Now, these are articles that have been accepted for publication, but are not yet out in print, which means they are articles in press, but they are as good as work done, which means you have early access to such articles. As mentioned in the speech by Saurabh, across the globe, the entire research, if you look at all the articles that have been published, close to 18% of those articles are on the Science Direct platform, right? Which also tells you, if you look at the quality of these articles that you see on Science Direct, if you look at impact factor of journals, more than 65 subject areas, Elsevier journals rank #1, right? Which also tells you that the quality of these journals and the quality of these articles is very high. So we can easily say that Science Direct offers you the widest range of trusted, high quality, interdisciplinary research. We cover subject areas across all the platforms. So basically you can have subject areas starting from physical sciences like physics, chemistry, biology, life sciences, social sciences, which includes even English literature, law, then other social sciences, right? Transportation, hospitality, and not to forget our medical journals, which are very, very highly rated, and especially journals from societies like the Lancet, the premium journals, the Cell, which are also available on the Science Direct platform for you to access. So again, today's researchers like you have broad and multidisciplinary workflows. And to connect these dots and look at the big picture, you need access to reliable interdisciplinary content. And that content should not only come from journals. The content also comes from other materials like books, conference proceedings, patents, right? Now, our publishing strategy has been focused in alignment with journals to make sure that these content gaps are filled and foundational knowledge is provided wherever needed. The Science Direct platform offers unique crosslinks and advanced technology, enabling researchers to find information at the point of need. Different content types, for example, book content and journal content, they work in harmony on Science Direct. Using the topic finder tool, you can move from book content to article content by a click of a button and get access to the foundational knowledge as well as the in-depth knowledge on any topic that you get. So you can do this via topic pages on Science Direct. So basically, Science Direct is not just a static platform that gives you PDFs. Science Direct is much more than just a PDF generating platform. That is why it is the highest used platform across the world. It gives you a very simple user interface and very easy to navigate to different sections of Science Direct. So basically, as researchers, you need answers. You don't care if that answer comes from a book, from a journal, from a conference proceeding, or from a patent. That is why we have tried to incorporate all these things on one platform so that you have access to all the information you need at one place. So Science Direct is uniquely positioned to offer you seamless access to all this content online. And not only does Elsevier has a large share of the total citations, but we also have most of the citations that are considered to be more impactful. So remember, I talked about FWCI, which tells you the quality of an article. So if you look at quality articles and you look at top 10% of world's quality articles, the share of Elsevier articles in that top 10% is close to 30%. And this decreases as we go down on quality. That means Elsevier journals are maximum, they are found in the high tiering, which tells you, again, re-emphasizes on that point, if you read quality, you publish quality.